Hey guys, so just got done with the Whetstone Chocolate Factory tour, and they don't allow video in there, so we weren't allowed to make the last video. But I think I might have took enough for a decent video anyways to show you guys what's going on in there. It's totally worth it. They give you 4 different samples of their artisanal chocolate, and then you get to try some gelato and stuff afterwards. So if you guys are in St. Augustine, check it out. The thing is the chocolate factory?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh man, you got your hairnet on? So why did the hair get in the chocolate?
Have a couple rules for you to follow, please, and you can make sure everybody.
So once we're all geared up in our hairnets and masks, we head on over to the factory floor, which is really more of a giant kitchen where the 4 chocolatiers, that's right, only 4 in the whole company, make all the chocolates for the entire Wetmore company. Here they went over things like a lot of the recipes, how they actually mix this stuff, so we weren't allowed to film or take any audio. But the tour guide still went over all the ways they actually make the chocolates and everything, how they take the actual cocoa butter, which is the white chocolate parts, and take that out from the solids. We went over how they made fudge and over a lot of the equipment they use as well, like this cooling table. It's actually 110 years old. And once we were done over here in the milk chocolate area, we headed out back across the parking lot to the dark side, where they make all the dark chocolates. So this is the Valencia orange peel chocolate. It's really good. It tastes like oranges.
Like the best. Right up there with white chocolate. This is the inside.
Is there a photo of you?
Alright, so we're going to do this chocolate.
47%. I like
This chocolate, this chocolate.
I got a picture all with that.
You're welcome.
Alright, hold it all up.
You can hear coffee campers in the
Miles.
campers. Do you drink chocolate?
This one's the 80% chocolate.
Benefits of dark chocolate. You must eat 1 ounce per day, which in this is
I like dark chocolate.
chocolate.
I like the bitter dark chocolate.
What do you guys think of that chocolate? Yeah, we already.
We're just done with the tour, and now it's time to sample some gelato.
This is gonna be the official. Give me the shot.
Let's try the pineapple basil. Sounds kind of weird, but it might be good.
Please give me the strawberry.
It's dairy free.
Pineapple basil, huh? What do you think, Koda? No, kind of different.
Please try the strawberry. Tastes good.
Tastes good? So what do you guys think of the chocolate tour? Was it pretty cool?
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome eating all that chocolate, getting to taste it. Yeah, this is artisanal chocolate, so it's a little different than just like the Hershey's bars and stuff like that. But it was pretty good. I thought it was good. What do you think, Miles? Is that pretty cool seeing how they make the chocolate? So when you guys are in St. Augustine, be sure to check out the Wetmore Chocolate Tour. I promise you'll have a sweet time.